RexVa heating films are made from Korean factory. We are manufacturing our films by using film manufacturing devices. And those RexVa heating films are imported from Korea to Canada. By passing RexVa heating films electromagnetic waves examination and safety inspection, we've got electromagnetic waves safety authentication, which includes both UL of USA authentication and Canada's CSA authentication at the same time. Also, we have got ISO 14001, which is only for environment-friendly products. RexVa heating film cares about environment. The films using one of charcoal's elements, carbon, for ingredients. Carbon has negative ion, so that helps to metabolize, etc. Carbon occur negative ion and far infrared ray radiation. Negative ion cleans blood and it prevents from air pollution. Far infrared ray radiation gives comfortable sleeping place. It is especially good for children, old people, and patients who have pains on the back or the shoulders and has allergy, asthmatic. Now I will tell you about how to install RexVa heating film. The materials are compressor, stripper, plier, scissors, cutting machine, knife, small iron, screwdriver, tape measure, tape, resistor test machine, connector, calculator, 14 and 16 gauge, waterproof tape, thermostat, beauty film, and heat insulator. First, we have to clean the dirt on the floor which you are going to install. Next, restrain coming into being moisture by spread out the vinyl. You don't have to spread the vinyl if it's a wooden floor. The heat insulator is different at tile, floor, carpet, Canada's, and USA's each state and cities, so you can choose one for your home. Using utility knife or scissors, cut out the heating film in the size you wish to install. You have to cut exactly same shape of corners shape. Connect the heat insulator between and the heat insulator by tape. Spread out a RexVa heating film on the heat insulator until it fits on the size. Cut the halfway of heating line when you cut the film. You should install arrangement of film in situation, but you must not pile up films. We fix the film to the heat insulator by the tape. Cut the 16 gauge to the film's terminals connection. Connect those terminals which you cut. Connect on the film's terminal plate by connector. Give it to finish, which you connected by using 14 gauges. We can calculate a resistance of all series of connected lines through calculating the whole spending electric power. Heat insulate work by sticking heat insulate tape to the connected connector. Cut the heat insulator and push into the heat insulation tape's few parts. Also, heat insulation lines have to cut and push in. Finish heat insulation line and terminal by taping. Next part is installing thermostat. First, we fix the temperature measurement terminal by heat insulation tape and sticking to the under part of film. Connect the socket which supplies electronics to the thermometer. Connect the two lines at the left of 4 lines in the thermometer. Another 2 terminals have to connect to the terminal from heating film. Sticking the sensor at the most middle part and tape it for preventing of falling. Install the thermometer on the wall. When you install the floor, tile, rug, and etc. on the finished film, then the film is finished and ready to be working. In container, store, house, motel, vinyl house, and etc., Canada and USA's variety of houses can use RexVa heating films. In motel's case, if there is a guest in the motel, the host have to turn all the temperature devices, but we have better temperature regulator system, so when you press the button and set the temperature, then it's done. We can install in variety of houses. We can use bathroom or kitchen tile, floor, marble, rug, and etc. for the ingredients. In Canada, you can purchase RexVa heating film at Vancouver, Alberta, Toronto, Ottawa, Quebec, Montreal's agency. And also, you can buy RexVa heating film in New York, Chicago, Colorado, and also in Europe and China. We are always trying to make you miss your home country with the RexVa heating system. We wish you always have a happy life in abroad.